Hello, this is the current hottest black box security Wi-Fi camera. Okay, let's open it. This is the main camera unit. This is a 5V 2A CE and ROS adapter, very safety for long time use. Yeah, this is the 1.5 meter USB cable for long time charging use. And the CD for using the camera on PC. And the user menu. Okay, then let's operate Wi-Fi security camera. First, take off the protect film. Yeah, then take out the slide. Okay, we see there is a on-off button here. Turn on it. In the back of the item, there will be a blue indicator. It will turn off, and it is in starting. Let's wait 30 seconds to 1 minute to have the Wi-Fi from this camera. During this period, the camera is starting, and after a while, it will send out a Wi-Fi signal. You can check on your phone the Wi-Fi setting. Yes. Yeah, we can see there is a Wi-Fi named YM1408. It is the same with the UID number on the item. Okay, let's click to connect. We need to wait until the 4G becomes to a Wi-Fi symbol. Then it is connected to the camera. Yeah, we got the Wi-Fi symbol. Okay, let's go to the ProICAN apps. Then we click the magnifying glasses symbol. There is a new device, is this device. Click. Okay, we then click to enter. We need to change the password first. Okay, we change to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Press OK. It is online. This is the P2P mode. Yeah. This is the camera. You can see Also, this camera can be rotatable by slide the iPhone. See? When you slide the iPhone, the lens can be rotatable. Okay. Then let's go to the Wi-Fi setting. Press the gear symbol after the camera. Choose the device setting. Then the Wi-Fi config. And we choose the local Wi-Fi. Password. Press OK. It will ask you to confirm. We press OK, it will reboot. The blue LED of the camera will turn off, and it is restarting and connecting to local Wi-Fi. Okay, the camera now is on Wi-Fi now. Yes, this is a live video. You can also rotate the lens when it is online. Yes, so this is all operation of the item. And if there is anything wrong with the item, so you just need to do a reset, then everything should be okay again. It's very easy. There is a reset key here. Just press for 5 to 8 seconds until the blue light off. Okay, then the item will be resetted and restart again. Okay, that's all. Thank you.